Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today we're unveiling the brand new chat feature in PromptROI, now allowing communication directly with AI, similar to how you'd interact with ChatGPT. To initiate, click on the chat icon on the left. Moving to the top right corner, you'll spot the new chat button. Hit that to commence a new chat. Depending on your subscription plan, you'll be presented with different GPT versions. Paid users can select between GPT 3.5 and GPT 4.0, whereas free users will have access only to GPT 3.5. Now let's dive into the chat bar at the bottom where you can start conversing. For instance, you might ask, as an expert email copywriter, could you guide me in creating a 7-step email sequence for new business leads, detailing the information to include and its significance? Wait for the AI's response, symbolized by the animated orb. Though this feature may soon be replaced to emulate a real chat experience, it currently serves to indicate AI is processing. Once it concludes, you'll be able to view the response. To continue the conversation, simply enter more text. Our team is even developing the option to rename your chat sessions, accessible from within the chat or back in the main chat screen where all your conversations can be found. We genuinely hope this advancement inspires you to further explore AI possibilities within PromptROI Daily. As we integrate various plugins and new OpenAI functionalities, we aim to offer a platform where everything can be done exclusively inside PromptROI. Thank you for tuning in. We encourage you to provide your valuable feedback by clicking the button here and share your thoughts. Don't forget to vote on others' feedback too, so we know which features matter the most to you. Stay connected for more. See you soon.